Ramadan is the holiest month in the Islamic calendar. It is a time of spiritual reflection, worship, and self-discipline. In this video, we will talk about the significance of Ramadan, its rituals, and the benefits of observing it. Ramadan is the 9th month of the Islamic calendar, and it is the month in which the Quran was revealed to the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. It is a time of spiritual reflection, worship, and self-discipline. During this month, Muslims all around the world fast from dawn until sunset. This means abstaining from food, drink, and other physical needs during the daylight hours. Fasting is not just about abstaining from food and drink. It is a way to purify the soul and develop self-discipline. It is a time for spiritual reflection and to increase our connection with Allah. We should spend more time in prayer, reciting Quran, and doing good deeds during this month. In addition to fasting, Muslims also perform other rituals during Ramadan such as Taraweeh prayers, which are additional prayers performed after the obligatory prayer at night. It is also recommended to give more charity during Ramadan, as it is a time of increased blessings and rewards. Ramadan is also a time of community and togetherness. Muslims often break their fast with family and friends and share meals together. It is a time to strengthen relationships, reconcile with others, and forgive past grievances. In conclusion, Ramadan is a month of immense significance for Muslims. It is a time for spiritual reflection, worship, and self-discipline. By observing the rituals of Ramadan, we can purify our souls, strengthen our connection with Allah, and gain blessings and rewards. Let us use this month to increase our good deeds, seek forgiveness, and develop self-discipline. May Allah accept our efforts and bless us all with His mercy and guidance. Ameen. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it beneficial, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more Islamic videos like this. Ramadan Mubarak.